Welcome to SEPAM. Today we are looking at Understanding Circle Theorem, Level 1 with highschoolmathematics. Lesson objective. Learners should be able to define the lines and regions in a circle. Secondly, apply the property of angle at center is twice angle subtended at the circumference. Identifying parts of the circle. Given a circle, this is a circumference. You have the center of the circle. A line connecting the center of the circle to the circumference is known as the radius. A line that passes through the center of the circle, which is a combination of two radii, is called the diameter. And the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, which are called semicircles. Then a line that connects the circumference of a circle but is not passing through the center of the circle is called a chord. A chord divides a circle into two segments. We have the minor segment, and then the bigger portion is called the major segment. So the minor segment is the green region, while the major segment is the shaded region. So you have the minor segment, then you have the major segment. Okay, let's look at exploring this theory. So we're going to do an activity. So let's play and learn. The material you need for this activity, you need your mathematical set. So you need your compass, your protractor, ruler, pencil, and eraser. So once those materials are ready, we can jump into the activity. So now you need your plain paper, A4 paper that we can use. Now the set of instruction I just want to give to you. So you draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters or a bigger radius using your compass. So once you have drawn your circle, I want you to label the center of the circle as O. Draw a chord SA. So draw a chord in any part and label it SA. Extend the chord SA to M, just like you extend it. Okay. Now I want you to measure an angle at this point here equal to 60 degrees. So you measure an angle. So you mark this point here B. Draw a line connecting X to B. Remove your protractor. Okay. Now you connect the center O to B and also connect the center O to A. Alright. So if the angle that is subtended at this point here, so you have AXB, which is 60 degrees. So let's measure, take your protractor and measure the angle at the center, which is BOA or AOB. So let's look at the smaller portion of the angle. So here is an obtuse angle, while this other part here is the reflex angle. But we are interested in the obtuse angle, the smaller portion here. So from this measurement we have 120 degrees. So we have 60 degree, and there 120 degree. So let's do a bit of critical thinking. What do you think is the relationship between the blue angle and the green angle? The green angle is called the angle at center, while the blue angle is the angle as subtended at the circumference. So if you can look at this, you see that 2 times 60 degree should give you 120 degree, and then half of 120 degree is 60 degree. So no matter the radius of the circle, this property of the circle is always constant and is always true. So that will become our theory 1. So now let's apply the theorem to this question. So you have angle subtended at the circumference labeled y, while the angle at center is 80 degree. And from the theorem, angle at center is equal to 2 twice the angle at circumference. So find the value of angle AXB. So what do you think? From the theory, angle AOB is equal to twice angle ASB. So we have that 80 degrees equals to 2y. Therefore, y is equal to half of 80 degrees. So y is equal to 40 degrees, because the angle subtended at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended at circumference. As easy as that. So we have that question. So let's look at the other way. If you are given angle subtended at the circumference and you want to find the angle at center, you apply the theory. Angle subtended at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. So find angle AOB. That is a question here. So what do you think you will do? Angle AOB is equal to 2 twice the value of angle ASB. That is twice 50 degree. That is equal to 100 degree. So with that, we come to the end of this. There are other questions that we'll treat on that are a bit more complex, but this will give you a foundation to understand this theory. So let's watch out for level 2. Thank you.